Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So you're not sure what to get a gardener for Christmas. I have 5 foolproof gift ideas for the gardener in your life and they will absolutely love. Number 1, obviously seeds. Seeds are the perfect gift to give any gardener. Now, some gardeners may have more of a preference towards a specific brand if they like Johnny's, Mackenzie, or maybe they like more rare and heirloom seeds like from Baker Creek or MI Gardner. The safest bet is to go with something that they don't already have. So if your gardener sticks more towards growing regular lettuce greens, red tomatoes, maybe go towards more of the Baker Creek side where they have all the different rainbow colors and rare varieties. Number 2 is going to be a gardening tool. This will range depending on your budget. I really like the Hori Hori knife or the pruning shears that have a super sharp blade because I am always losing my gardening tools, and that is something that I could always use multiple of. Plus, sometimes if you forget your pruning shears outside and they get a little rusty or dull after a season, it's always nice to have a backup pair for a gardening project. Number 3 is this awesome gardening stool. I came across this just recently and actually put it on my own Christmas list because I actually have really bad ankle and lower back issues. So this makes gardening more accessible, very much more comfortable when you have to do large gardening projects such as sowing your spring crop or sowing your summer crop. So it makes it very comfortable, and then also you have all those little pockets that help you carry all of your gardening tools with you during those projects, and it makes your chores more enjoyable. Number 4 is always books. Books are amazing to pass the time in the winter when we're all missing our gardens. It's awesome to be learning new things and enjoying all of the awesome information that gardening books do have. I'm going to leave all the links to these products just down below, and you guys can see some of my favorite books, my favorite gardening tools, and such, so that if you have a gardener in your life, or maybe for yourself, that you can indulge in some of these gifts for gardeners. And number 5 is a foolproof is gift cards, and don't underestimate a gift card. I mean, even myself, I really love thoughtful gifts, but when it comes time to order seeds, I end up like spending more than I actually want to, and it would be nice to have a gift card to my favorite seed ordering website like Baker Creek. They do have gift certificates, or if your gardener prefers more the seeds that you can just buy at a regular garden center, then maybe a gift card to a local gardening center would be the best bet for them. And remember, Amazon has gift certificates as well, / gift cards that your gardener can use towards a book or gardening tool or even a package of seeds. Never underestimate the power of a gift card. Those are the 5 foolproof gifts that I would give any gardener and that I would really enjoy myself. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and please like and comment on this video because it really helps me out in the algorithm. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.